In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Shopify homepage. Whether you're setting up your online store for the first time or looking to freshen up your website's appearance, adding images can significantly enhance its visual appeal and engage your visitors more effectively. First things first, you'll want to head to the Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center for managing your store, and it's essential to familiarize yourself with it if you want to make the most out of your Shopify experience. Once you're there, to take a breath and prepare yourself for some creativity, because today, we are diving into customizing your storefront. Next, look at the menu on the left of your screen and click on Online Store. This will take you to a new page where you have various options to make changes to your website. The idea here is to envision how you want your homepage to look, keeping in mind that visual elements can speak volumes about your brand and what you offer. Once you're on the online store page, the next step is to click on Customize. This option allows you to directly edit the store's theme and see the changes in real time. Customizing is like painting on a digital canvas, and this is where you start to make your Shopify store reflect your brand's unique identity. Now, look out for the Image Banner section. By clicking on this, you're getting into the specific area of your homepage that displays your featured images. Image banners are crucial as they are often the first thing your customers will see when visiting your store. They set the tone and give a visual overview of what to expect. When you click on the image banner, you'll find sections labeled Image 1 and Image 2. These are essentially placeholders where you can upload your images. Click on Image 1 to begin. Here, the key is to choose images that not only look pleasing, but also align with the message you want to convey through your homepage. Following that, you can proceed by clicking on Image 2. Balance is important, so consider how these images will work together to create a cohesive look. Consistency in color, theme, and style is vital to make your homepage visually appealing and professionally polished. Inserting images that capture the essence of your products or services can really entice new visitors to explore more about what you have to offer. Remember, each image should serve a purpose, whether it's showcasing a new collection, highlighting bestsellers, or simply emphasizing your brand identity. Once you've added your images, take a step back and review how they look. Adjust if necessary, and ensure they're sized correctly to avoid any awkward cropping on different devices. This will ensure that your online storefront provides a seamless user experience. So there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added stunning images to your Shopify homepage, giving your visitors immediately engaging visuals as they step into your online store.